saw my Snapchat video yesterday, you would know that we were in France. So we decided to spend our first day of our anniversary trip there. And this morning we woke up and we're visiting another city today. So we are going to a new hotel and I'm pretty excited. It's a bed and breakfast in like an old castle, and it looked really, really pretty. So we're going to get checked in, and then we're going to find something to eat and go to Bruges. I hope I said that right. I'm not good with my Bruges. It's so hard to pronounce it. So that is the plan for today, and oh, I think we might have just passed it.
As I think maybe the buildings are as old as our town, but they just don't care about how everything looks. They want to make everything look.
So right now we are still on our way to the French fry museum. So we have to walk through the big market first
Sure.
because we passed by it along the way, and it's sprinkling a little bit right now, but hopefully the weather gets better for later. We finally arrived at the Friet Museum. Ooh, I'm excited.
Open?
Yeah. I never really thought of there being so much history behind a potato, but there's a whole museum for it.
Peel this first.
A potato that you peel?
Yeah.
Only those that did well in the test were allowed to marry. Yeah.
McDonald's.
There's like a really big history behind the potatoes. You can like learn a lot here, actually.
Wow, babe. These are big potatoes.
French fries.
No, they're not French, they're Belgian fries.
It smells good.
What?
It smells good.
Bon appetit.
I hope it's the right one. Oh.
Use those muscles.
Wait, let's see. Is it the right one? No.
Analyze.
Oh, over here maybe. Aww. Now I'm gonna add this to my collection. I have a whole book full of these.
I know. You know where the book is?
Yes,
Oh,
it's in the closet.
Even has fries.
Oh, you didn't see that?
No.
This one's really cute though.
Stop.
Yeah.
See?
Like McDonald's, but then C&J.
Fries.
At the US Netherlands.
Yeah. And now we are out. Now we are gonna go do hopefully a tour of the on the canal in a boat.
In the rain.
So a boat tour, hopefully,
You know how
if it's not over.
We are getting ready to do the boat tour.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I wonder which side we go first, straight or left.
Finished the boat tour through the canal and it was really nice, but it's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but
Walk and see more of the
and my
star.
phone's almost dead. I still have a lot of pictures to take though, so hopefully the weather gets a little bit better, and then it will be dinner time in like 2 hours or so, so we'll see what else we can find in this town. Oh, the sunset looks so pretty, babe. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were making a photo.
Oh, no.
So yeah, we walked all over the place, and we're going back to the market to eat something.
What do you think you want to eat for dinner?
Depends what they have. And if the places are not full, we had pizza yesterday, so not pizza.
Oh, yeah. He had...
You want to have waffles for dinner?
No, not for dinner. No,
Oh, you can eat waffles.
Yeah, he had like a seafood pizza, and I had a smoked salmon pasta. It was pretty good though.
Oh yeah, it was good.
It would be nice if we can get somewhere high to watch the sunset.
Oh.
It's really pretty. So yeah, we're heading back to the big market and we're gonna find something nice to eat and people watch, because the market was so full of people.
Well,
So busy. A lot of tourists. Well, like
Mainly.
us. Like us.
We're not tourists no more. We know the whole city.
We just finished eating all-you-can-eat spare ribs, and now we're getting ready to go back to our bed and breakfast so we can rest, because we have another long day tomorrow. We're going to a different city, so yeah, we need some sleep. I've been walking all day long and my legs hurt. We just got into our bed and breakfast and I am so tired. Just on the ride here, which was like 20 minutes, I was already like fighting to keep my eyes open. But yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I'm not sure what time we'll leave, but I still have to look up exactly what we're gonna do because I really didn't plan anything for tomorrow. I'm really bad at planning stuff, but that will be a whole separate video. So, good night.